In a bright and happy garden, tiny creatures worked all day. The bees buzzed from flower to flower. The ants marched in neat little lines. And the butterflies danced in the warm air. Though they were small, they all had an important job to do. Deep under a green leaf, a tiny ladybug named Lottie woke up from a nap. She stretched her little legs and looked around. The garden was busy, but Lottie wondered, could someone as small as her really make a difference? Lottie fluttered up and saw the bees collecting nectar. They zoomed from one flower to the next, carrying golden dust on their legs. What are you doing? Lottie thought, watching them closely. We're helping flowers grow. The bees buzzed happily. Without us, there would be no fruits or pretty blossoms. Lottie smiled. The bees were small, but their work was so important. Maybe she could help the garden too. Lottie flew lower and saw a long line of tiny ants carrying bits of leaves. Why are you carrying those? Lottie thought. We're building strong tunnels underground, the ants replied. Our home keeps us safe, and we even help the soil stay soft for the plants. Lottie watched in amazement. Even the smallest ants had a big job. Just then, Lottie heard a soft voice. She turned and saw a little caterpillar stuck on a tall blade of grass. The wind had blown it too high, and now it was afraid to climb down. Lottie's heart fluttered. I may be small, she thought, but I can help. She flew up and gently nudged the caterpillar, guiding it back to a lower leaf. The caterpillar smiled and wiggled happily. Thank you, Lottie, you saved me. As the sun set, Lottie felt warm inside. The bees, the ants, and even she had all helped the garden in their own little way. She looked around and realized something wonderful. Being small didn't mean being unimportant. Even tiny creatures could make the world a better place. And from that day on, Lottie never doubted herself again.